So look guys, I simply have no idea why I am so excited about all these new releases. It's like a kidney candy shop.
The only way it stops is when you make it stop.
That's me. I feel like I'm being awarded for finding something new. It's like an Easter egg hunt mentality. And then I'm being rewarded again for having the opportunity to present this for me to you, and your response is absolutely amazing. So in true Sherlock Holmes fashion, I found 3 new Samsung native application BBC Radio.
If you guys get easily pressed by strong language,
that eventually will blow your mind for your Galaxy Watch 4 and for your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. And always remember, you saw it here on this channel first. So 2 applications you may already know, granted, but the one I'm going to show you is the star of today's show, and that's the one that got me excited the most. I got endorphins pouring into my brain, left, right, and center. Drum roll. It is Samsung's native internet application. Why is this important? You may think, well, it kills many birds, not just 2. It kills many birds with 1 stone. And let me simply demonstrate the potential to you right now. First things first, you have to go into the Google Play Store on your watch, not your phone. Forget your phone for a moment. Go in there, search for Samsung Internet. It will come up, #1 application. Download it, install it. It will ask you for certain permissions for location, microphone, and so on. Don't do this on your phone because it's not available on your phone, only on your watch. Once installed, you will be greeted with 3 pre-installed bookmarks. So you open up your Samsung Internet and then you will see YouTube. Yes, let me get there in a second. #2 is Google. Then you see Samsung.com. Fair enough. Oh, and weather. Sorry, I forgot weather. So it's actually 4. I'm too excited. Okay, YouTube. You no longer need a separate application in order to watch YouTube videos. So let's go in, and this is what it looks like when you are simply signed out and use this bookmark for your very first time. But you do have the option, you can sign in with your account, and then you have obviously a familiar look to what your favorite videos are and subscriptions and so on. All of this is possible. So when you look at it, you may have a concern in terms of corners, or shall I say the lack of corners, or maybe how do you deal with the corners on the webpage? Well, Samsung has actually thought of the following. So here is what you need to do in order to view the corners, or basically to view your full web page. Swipe from the top down, hold the web page and let go, and you can see the left or right top of the web page. You can do the very same for the bottom corners. So this way you have the possibility to view it all one at a time, if that makes sense. But there is more. You have more option in order to view your web page. Swipe up and you will see 3 options. Add the current web page, 2 bookmarks, and I have bookmarked my YouTube page for you guys to show this here today. Zoom mode and show on phone. So let's go into zoom mode, toggle it on, and then you go back to your web page and you will see a plus and minus icon. It's basically here to zoom in and out like you do on whatever, Google Maps, for example. But what does it look like when you watch a video on your brand new Samsung Internet browser on your Galaxy Watch 4? And more importantly, do you need earbuds connected in order to do so?
On selected Galaxy Book models, and during this video I will list all the available versions for Bixby so you can download it.
That's me. Well, here we go. So you do not need any earbuds connected when you watch a YouTube video. And that is kind of a paradox or bizarre, because when you have YouTube Music or Spotify, you do need earbuds connected in order to listen to what's coming out of your watch. And this is basically the potential I can see. And I'm going to show you what else you can do right now with this. So let's do the following. Let's go to the top and you see this little search icon. You tap on it and then you have 3 different options for your search engines. #1 is Google, #2 is DuckDuckGo, and #3 is Bing. And I'm using Google for now, and I'm using voice commands, and I'm looking for BBC Radio. BBC Radio. Listen, I don't know what I'm listening to because it's so small. I need my glasses, but Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike for showing you this. So I went on the BBC Radio webpage. You have plenty of podcasts to choose from. This one is called, I can't read it, but I'm feeling lucky today. So I'm playing press play. Press play.
BBC Sounds, music, radio, podcasts.
And here is the thing, since the Samsung internet browser behaves like a regular browser for better or worse, no mobile mode, it has a huge potential on your watch. You can actually now listen to radio. I just put in BBC Radio. You can listen to a podcast. Whatever the website displays and whatever is available in your region, you can do this on your watch now with no strings attached and no earbuds attached either. So you can clean the house and listen to sports, news, to whatever. And of course, you can search for any other website you desire. Again, it behaves just like a normal, regular internet browser on your computer. I really think you have to figure out what it is you're going to use it for, your personal use case. But what I can tell you, using it for this entire morning, it's kind of, I can see the potential going up with the Galaxy Watch 4 almost by the day. Okay, by the week, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is really kind of neat. Number 2 application is the Walkie-talkie application. And we featured that before, but it is now available to download in almost every single region. Again, you have to go into the Google Play Store, search for it. It's only available on your watch. You can download it. All you do is sign in with your Samsung account and then toggle on and off. And then voila, you can walkie-talkie your friend, your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, whatever it is, your boss, and saying, I'm watching All-Star Space because he is awesome. Last but not least is the hand wash application that's also in Samsung native application that you can download now. Again, go into the Google Play Store. And if you're into this, if you really want to monitor your hand washing in current times, then why not have it? It's free. So this was me for today, checking out, and hopefully I could help you a little bit navigate around more with the Galaxy Watch 4 or Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to be part of this huge, big, awesome community. Peace.